If you've ever needed to type math equations in Microsoft Word but weren't sure where to start, this video is going to make it super easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open the equation tools, insert a formula, and use Word's built-in options to create clean, professional-looking math equations in just a few clicks. Whether you're a student, teacher, researcher, or just working on an assignment, this is one of the fastest ways to format math properly inside Word. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open the document where you want to add your math equation. If you're starting from scratch, you can open a blank document, or if you already have text written, just click where you want the equation to appear. Getting into the right spot first is important because Word will insert the equation exactly where your cursor is placed. Now, look at the top of the screen and go to the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps a lot of useful tools for adding extra content to your document, including tables, images, symbols, and equations. Once you click Insert, move over to the Symbols section on the right side of the ribbon. Here, you'll see the Equation option. Click Equation to open Word's built-in equation tools. At this point, Word may show you a list of built-in equations you can insert right away. These are helpful if you want to add a common formula quickly, like a quadratic equation, a circle formula, or a physics expression. If one of the built-in equations matches what you need, simply click it and Word will insert it into your document. But if you want to type your own custom equation, choose Insert New Equation instead. When you do that, Word will place an equation box directly in your document, and that's where you can start typing your formula. This equation box is designed specifically for math, so it formats things much more cleanly than regular text. You can type numbers, letters, operators, and variables just like normal, but you also get access to special formatting tools that make your equation look professional. If you need fractions, powers, square roots, integrals, summation symbols, or Greek letters, Word gives you all of that inside the Equation tab. As soon as the equation box is active, notice the New Equation tab that appears in the top menu. This tab gives you extra tools for building mathematical expressions. You can add fractions with one click, create superscripts and subscripts, insert scripts for exponents and indices, and choose symbols from different categories. If you're typing something simple like x squared, you can use the script tools to format the two as a superscript. If you need a fraction like 1/2, you can use the fraction button and fill in the numerator and denominator. If you need more advanced notation, such as a square root or a sigma symbol, those are also available in the equation tools. The great thing about Word's equation editor is that it saves you from trying to manually format math with regular text. That means your work looks neater, more accurate, and much easier to read. And if you're making class notes, homework, lesson plans, reports, or the research papers, that can make a big difference. Another useful tip is that you can keep adding to the equation by clicking inside the box and continuing to type or insert new symbols. Word automatically adjusts spacing and alignment so the equation stays readable. So if your formula gets more complex, you can still build it step by step without worrying about the formatting breaking apart. Once you're finished typing your equation, just click back into the document and continue writing your text. Your equation will remain in place and look professionally formatted. And that's it. You now know how to type math equations in Microsoft Word using the Insert tab, the Equation tool, and the built-in equation editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.